Hey guys, I am at the Goodwill Bins. It is Friday. The parking lot is full. I don't really like to come on Fridays for this reason, but let's go in and see what we can find. Looks like there's some good stuff in here. What is this thing? It's handmade. Is that for a baby? That's adorable, but I'm not gonna get it. Ooh, a little hanging basket. It's blue. That's a great size. Put that in my cart and think about it. Ooh, look at this Christmas tree. I think it comes out like that. That's really cute. I like that too. I like to go a little more rustic. My Christmas decor. There's a little wicker chaise lounge. Does anybody need this? I feel like it's kind of in a rough condition. It's a cute little chalkboard. When Sophie gets really, really angry. Maybe I should get that book for Ren and read it to her. Let's see what's down here. Okay, that's a little terrifying. And he has a hole. Oh no, his eyes are really creeping me out. Let's see what's over here. What's this under here? A little, I forget what these are called. Oh look, there's a tag. Old time pottery. Maple leaf pumpkin bush. I don't know. Anyway, I'm leaving that here. Skateboard, whatever this little thing is. I think it's maybe a shoe rack or something. With some frames, but I do not need any of those. Books, DVDs. Alright, let's keep digging. Some bigger stuff in this bin. Good news is the bins look like lots of home goods stuff that I like and not clothing today. This is a big metal crate. It's very large. I like it, but I don't know what I would do with it, so I think I'm gonna leave that. Let's see what's over here. Oh, I see something wood. What's this? Just a plaque, and I don't know what this is, but it's a, ooh, that's like a nice rustic piece of wood. Something's taped on here. Let's see. Alright, I don't know why that's on there, but we are definitely going to be taking this nice piece of wood home. Check out these pieces. It's a Mrs. Claus they've made from a broom, and here's Santa Claus, but his body's down here and his head is way up here. They are in very rough condition, so I'll definitely be leaving those pieces here. Ficus tree is still here. Oh no guys, they are dumping the bins on the walls and I have not dug through them yet. Let's hurry up and go look and see if we can find anything. They don't take the stuff from up here. That's why when I find stuff that I like but I'm not gonna buy, I put it up here because they don't dump these. They're dumping the other side as well, so I'm gonna go through this really quickly, and then oh, this is leather. I'm gonna leave that here, and then I'm gonna go on the other side. It's like a big pampered chef bowl. I do not need that, and I definitely do not want to ship it, so that'll stay here. You know what, let me put it up top. Somebody else might want that. What's the brand? Oh, it is Pampered Chef. I was correct. Look, this guy's still here. This little lady, I asked y'all if I should get her. I didn't see any comments about her, so I'm not gonna grab her. Ooh, this is a cute little basket. I have to control myself. I don't need any more baskets. Watch, I'm gonna find another one in a minute that I am not gonna bear to pass up. This is cute. Has little brass handles. That up there. I don't want it. Somebody else might want her. See anything that I need? Alright, I don't think there's anything. Let's go on the other side and dig. Alright, it looks like clothing and shoes here, so maybe I didn't miss out on anything. I saw these. Those are still there. I saw those. I think it was yesterday, I think. Toys. Oh, little crocheted chicken. He's cute. Somebody rescue him. Dump in the bins. Alright, I don't think I missed out on anything. Not gonna look in there. Not gonna look. Alright, let's keep shopping. Man, she has a cart full. She has a little train case in there. Basket. It's an umbrella. This rabbit looks real. What's this? Little base to something. It's another umbrella. This is some kind of hanging thing. A rod right here. A valance that somebody stuffed, it looks like. Here's some fabric. We have a bunch of pillows in these bins. I actually ended up buying 3 pillows here yesterday, but this thing is so heavy. I don't see any here that is my style today. Here's a big rug. It looks like maybe 8 by 10, and it looks to be in pretty good condition. These are very popular right now, but I don't need a rug, so I'm gonna leave it here, but hopefully somebody else rescues it. Clothing, shoes. Ooh, are these soccer cleats? Nope, they are not. Apparently, my kids never played football. I think these are football cleats, so I bought some cleats for Waylon, and he brought them to soccer practice, and his coach was like, those are football cleats. I had no idea. None of my kids had ever played football before. Okay, they finished clearing those out, and they are putting them back. So I'm definitely going to hang around and dig through all the new bins on the wall. Alright, this bin is going to take some self-control because it looks like it's full of baskets. Look at this one over here. It looks interesting. Look. I never come across ones like this. These are perfect to hang on the wall, or look how cute that is as a bowl. I don't know if I can pass that up. Let's see what else they have. Ooh, this one's also really cute. Look how pretty that is. It does have some messed up parts, so I feel like I could leave that one here. Here's just a basic little rectangle tray. So these make great frames. If you wanted to put a piece of artwork right here, I feel like I should get this and do a video and show y'all how to do that. I told y'all, no self-control when it comes to baskets. How cute this one is. I love the little size of it. I might get that one. I think this is the end of the baskets. This one is missing a lid, so we can leave that one here. Anybody need a vintage game of perfection? I remember having one of these, but I don't remember it being fun. I just remember it giving me panic attacks when you gotta try to beat the timer. Look, it's a little McDonald's toy. Little Indian girl. I haven't really found much. This is heavy. I think this is cast iron. It's a bank. Aren't these like worth money? And look at the screw. It's an old screw. It's not a star screw. I might have to look her up. They just brought out a new bin. Look how cute this is. The color is perfect already. I love it. This should be finished. It just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. See, here's another wooden piece right here. Does it work? It's kind of broken. I don't know. I'm going to put this in my cart. Think about it. I'm definitely going to have to go through my cart before checkout. Ooh, I see some stuff over there. Let's go look. It's a little crib with a baby. Some little decoupage ornaments. There's enough of these. I may get them and then I could sell them as a set. I think there's enough. Or I can get, there's 3 so far. Oh, here's another one. Ooh, that one's cute. I like the flat one. And then the heart one, I could get that too. cute.
Yeah.
I like the look of this one, but there's only one of these. This is Santa. I just noticed this other Santa. They definitely have a very interesting vintage look, and since there's two of them, I'm gonna get these as well. What is this thing? It's an old caroler. Oh, here's another little flat decoupage one. It's another little baby. Here's two little babies. Got the decoupage ornaments in my cart, and then I looked again and I feel like there's enough little shabby chic ones that I could make a little collection of them. So I'm gonna put all of these in one little collection on my website. I think they're really cute. I really like this little vintage mirror one. They're probably mostly handmade too, but I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna put these in my cart. I just found a stack of these little made in Japan pieces. Yes, I am. Well, not too much today. It just depends. You know, sometimes you find a lot and sometimes you don't. I have no clue what that is. I saw those. Maybe we should open one up and see. Oh. I looked these up and there's a lot of them online, so I think I'm going to leave them here. So I'll put them up here. That way they don't get thrown away. Hopefully somebody will see them and buy them. They were going for like, it was all over the place, like $15, $20 a piece, but there was a ton of listings online, so I don't think it's that rare. It's the Avon piece. That lady was asking if I knew what these were. I don't know. Should I open one up and see what it is? But I also saw this. I saw it in another bin, and it's extremely heavy, and it says Clo-Lo or something. I might look this up because I'm finding a bunch of them. I think not a bunch, 4. There's 4 guys, but they're beautiful and heavy, and you can just tell they are good quality. Look at that ribbed glass. Ribbed glass is so popular right now, and then I just love the little flower. So I think I'm gonna research these a little bit, and if they actually sell for a decent amount, I might pick up the set of 4. So just like the Japanese plates, the comps for these were all over the place. Oh, I bought some stuff that I didn't even show y'all yet, but I like these a lot more than the Japanese plates, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them in my cart, because if they don't sell, I would definitely not mind keeping them for myself. So I found this hat. Y'all, I love this. How cute would that look hanging on somebody's wall? That's adorable. You could keep the flowers or take them off. I kind of like the flowers. It's a very shabby chic look. Look at this. Got shabby chic going on today. And then look at these pieces. So if y'all watched my video where I had a smaller one like this and I put the IOD brocante transfer on it with the birds, well, I had to cut that transfer, but this one would fit that entire bird transfer. So that is the plan with these. I got one that's nice and rusty and one that is not, and I just saw they brought out some new bins, so let's go dig some more. All right, I decided to get this. I think what I'm gonna do with it is put it either on my back porch or by our fire pit in the backyard, and I'm gonna put some firewood in it. I think that'd be really cute. So I'm gonna get this. Also went through my cart and got rid of stuff. I'm trying to be very, very picky. So this is what made the cut today. Y'all leave a comment below and let me know what is your favorite thing that I purchased today. I will put a total on the screen for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this shopping trip at the Goodwill Bins, and I will see y'all in the next video.